Hey guys, welcome back. Popping on today to do my last two kits for Build-A-Page. And I am just working with some of my new collections, and I'm going to work with cut files. I haven't even picked out the cut files yet. I just know I'm going to grab Paige Evans cut files that are freebies that you can find on her Facebook group, if that makes sense. So what do we have? Oh, and then I am going to use this Heidi Swap Sun Chaser. Good stuff. I have some of the puffies for this. I've got to find them. One moment. Okie dokie. I found them. All right, so let's see what we might have. Ooh, that would be a gorgeous background, guys, for a cut file. Then again, it's a gorgeous background for everything. Oh, so is that. Clearly, I chose things. All right. Based on, all right. I think that's going to be my cut file background. And I know I did it early or yesterday, but I love book print. I'm going to do the same thing. If I can have a black and white border, I am a happy girl. So let's see what we might be able to bring in for our, ooh, the ice creams are cute. Although I have nothing ice cream related, we can go with it. That's awesome. I'm going to have this black and white text, obviously. Super pretty. You know what? I kind of like this painty one. I don't know if I like it more. I just like it. Oh, now the only issue I have with the white on a cut file is if I do a white cut file. But what if I cut out the cut file in that black and white and then still go ahead and use it as a matte? I think that might be pretty slick. I'm going to use this aqua. And then, what? We already went through these. I think maybe these little cacti. All right, so we've got papers. I think I'm going to cut the cut file out of black. I hope I remember. Sometimes the brain stops working. Now, I grabbed these puffies. We saw that. And then I do also have the stickers, and I have not touched them yet. Ooh, and they have an alpha, and they have photo corners and wordy bits. I've got titles in there, although my cut file will probably be my title. Who knows? So I'll just flip through it rather quickly. So we've got this nice rose gold is running throughout this collection. Tile alphas, which is fun. We've got nice little journaling spots. Yes, that's what they're called, journaling spots. So we've got those. These are great little title bits or secondary title bits, you know, in the great Heidi Swap writing, and then little hearts and little lips and things, little wordy bits. It's going to be great. Okay, now what? Looking here, it's like this amazing color match. So this is the Scrap and Happy mix. I got this when Scrap and Happy Studio for Flair did a collab with Spiegel Mom Scraps, and they're super cute. So that matches. So I'll have a couple sequins brought in. Apparently I'm doing Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins as part of my thing. All right, the world's messiest looking, okay, these are all summary. The world's messiest bits here. And I also have just a couple super cute Flair here that the owner of Scrap and Happy Studio sent slightly early. I love this road trip, but it has, you know, nothing to do with what I'm doing. That big old camera is exquisite. I'll put that there for now. Let's see what's in here in my summer bits though, because this definitely has this whole summer vibe, and I might be able to get some beachy stuff in. Well, it really doesn't help if my Flair is turned over and I can't see the little buggers. There we go. It's a seahorse. No. The blue's just a little off. Just slightly off. I mean, it doesn't have to be matchy-matchy. Look, I have one little guy in there, and he's cute. I mean, in theory, I could do that. Oh, this is way closer, guys. The vibe of this is closer. All right, I'm going to use that set. I'm going to take this away. It's so cool. Okay, take that away. I have that set. I've got some Scrap and Happy little sequins that will work, I believe. Sweet. So, oh, guys, I have so many flare, and I know she's coming out with another release. It's not an easy thing. Okay, I have this. I am going to go ahead and have this be my first page kit of today, or the fourth for the week, depending, you know, on how you think. I have that. Now, let me put this gorgeousness away rather quickly. And then our last page kit will be the new Maggie Holmes collection before she comes out with the next collection, which I've seen little bits of. I can't use my goodies quick enough right now. All right. So we have Maggie Holmes Round Trip. Of course, it's gorgeous and beautiful and full of Maggie Holmes goodness. That's how we do with this. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. No wonder I picked it. This is a really great cut apart. That might be super. Oh, that's nice. All right, wow. What a shock. I'm already looking at this as my border. Guys, these tags are adorable. I could do more of a solid background. Okay, what if I do this solid background? I'm trying to not do the same thing every single time. I'm trying. It's just that it's so pretty. Ooh, that's super cool too. All right, I'm gonna do those two because it's two of my favorite colors, and you know, I'm the boss of me. And then now I have both what's called stationery and ephemera. Oh, so they're like little things that you can tuck things into. Well, I want to see what those are about. And then we have these. So what I'm going to do is not use the stickers this time. Remember the other time I used the stickers and not the die cuts? So I'm going to do opposite day. And now we're going to go ahead and see what treasures are in here. So this is Round Trip, so very travel-y. Okay, that would be fun. My husband and I did jump on an airplane to go to Florida, so I should be able to do something with that. These little bits might be great for detail cutting. We've got the taxi, which we did not use at all. Doesn't matter, but I can cut out the little suitcases and things. Ooh, got to bring in some floral. Remember, I'll have some of this periwinkle denim kind of deal that I can bring in. I want something besides pink and purple right now. So I think that, and one more paper, and I can call it good. I just have to find the aforementioned one more paper to see. I love that they did that with the, and yes, I know that I'm just going through the same ones all over again, kind of like this kind of parquet floor vibe. So we're going to do that. Okay. So what we have is a bunch of really great pieces to back a die cut with, and I'll bring the die cut in on the day that we are creating. I've got some extra cut aparts, and I have 2 packs of die cuts. Yeah, I think I can come up with a layout with that. Now, in theory, ooh, I've got words that I can, well, you know what? So often cut files take care of the place of titles. So I haven't been bringing in as many thickers lately. It's a little odd for me, but we'll see how it goes. Let's go ahead and see what collection would work for this. Now, it's going to be travel related, and I did a nice little bit of travel. I'm looking through all of these treasures, so wish me, ooh, look at travel memories. And the colors are perfect. So I'll make the 2 work. That'll be great. I can get 2 used up. You know what I'm going to do? Because I love this one so much, I'm going to bring this giant one in as well and see if it can make a nice little home on this layout. And then let's just go right here. Oh, guys, I just realized I have all of these flare buttons. Look, aren't they awesome? Like, oh, they're so gorgeous. And I'm looking at it, trying to decide if I need to bring this in, because look at that color. I mean, it's so incredibly close. And then this is super travel-y. Oh, guys, I'm going to have to bring in these. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So I think, I mean, they might be just massive, though. I'm not sure. Like, I can do beach. Yeah, 3 of those will work just fine. All right, I'm going to do that. And then those are 2 blue. Those are 2 green. We need something that is like on that. Oh, too bad we don't have those. Well, I guess those colors are right there because these little shells would be hilarious. I think I'm going to try to work those in. Okay, that is my last page kit. I hope you guys like what I came up with. And I'm going to get working on this. Now, I want to encourage you guys to take a look and see what Moira's doing, Christy, Kristen, Jennifer, as well as on Instagram, there is Scotian Scrapper. So there's a bunch of us that are playing along, and we don't all play every month, but we do when we can. So I will have links down below for all of their channels and how to see what they're up to. And I don't know, come back tomorrow and I'll have my first layout. Bye for now, folks.